We're here in Fairfield, California, in the Bay Area. We've been working on this project about 2 years now.
Initially for an office and parking for my truck and business, but in the long term, this is going to be turned into a boutique winery. Never heard of ICFs before a couple years ago, and I came across something online, and I liked the concept. And then as I looked more and more into it, it just seemed to be the way to go for all my future projects.
There's a couple different reasons that the owner decided to go with insulated concrete forms on this project. One of them is just for the thermal performance. A winery needs to have conditioned space, and you need to keep it at a certain temperature. Also, one thing that people don't really think about is sound mitigation. This project is close to a highway, and once you put the windows and doors into this structure, the sound from the highway will probably be barely audible. You also have fires and pests here. So termites really can't do much damage to a building unless there's wood in it. Once they find that wood, then they're going to town.
I don't have to worry about any small details as far as rot or anything, which I've had on some of these other buildings around here. I had Chris with Portal Construction. He came and just did the ICF.
The Nudura block is probably the best block for several reasons. The Nudura corner is bomber. They're really strong. They're very good. The standard block, which is 8 feet long, that is really helpful. We like that a lot, especially when we have big walls, and particularly in the winery building. Those 8-foot blocks make it go quite a bit faster. So there are other blocks out there that fold flat, that come disassembled, and Nudura even makes a disassembled block. But putting those together is time consuming. So the hinged folding flat block is really great. As a contractor who's used all sort of materials, we're used to not very much support. You don't get any support from the lumber industry. Who would you call? So this is the nice thing about working with Nudura in particular. Help is a phone call away.
Support's been great. Eric has always been available. If he doesn't answer the phone, he gets right back to me. I wanted to do one like this. Is a simple square box, so I wanted to try it out on this project, and I love it. And so every future project, I have a 3,500 square foot house that I'm planning to start as soon as this is done.
So, really, in essence, I think when you're building a building that's part of your family's legacy, it's going to maybe, be handed down to generations. This building will be here for a long time. It is going to be a resilient structure. It's going to be comfortable inside, but it's also going to last a long time. Durability is something that's often overlooked in construction.